Today, I'm showing you how to enroll in Chase Business Online Banking. So as you can see, I use it right here. This is my account. And it's pretty simple. All you need to do is Google Chase Business Apply. You could put apply or application, doesn't matter. And as you can see right here, you can just click on this. Or this, I mean, it's up to you, but I'm going to be clicking on this. I'm going to open up an incognito tab, just so I don't leak any info, private info. But basically, this is it right here. So as you can see, you can earn up to $500. And keep in mind, because this is important, your monthly service fee is $15 or $0. So I'll explain this since I actually use it myself. If you have $2,000 on your business account or more, you pay $0. But if you have $2,000 or $1,999 or less, you pay $15 every single month for having the bank account. So keep this in mind upon your purchase. Basically how it works is it's super simple. You put in your email address and then they basically give you the offer. So as you can see right here, you can do it online or you can do it in person. I personally did it in person, but doing it online is just as easy. But literally you do have to deposit a minimum of $2,000 in new money within 30 days. So you have to do this in order to do this. And they also check if you can maintain that $2,000 within 60 days. This is just to ensure that you do have money, since this is an option for businesses. So they're kind of hoping you do have money. So keep that in mind. After that, if you complete 5 transactions within 90 days of that offer enrollment, you will be given a bonus. This is the bonus. So I hope that makes sense. It's pretty simple. So all you need to do is put your email your offer, and then do this step. It'll give you a guide on the email, by the way. So it's super simple, super straightforward. If you do run into an issue, you can always call them. You know, they have customer hours or whatever. But again, if you're like me and you don't want to go through the hassle of doing it on your own, you could just go to your local Chase Bank location and they'll literally do it for you. And then the rest is just no different to a checking account. If this helped, consider subscribing. Peace.